Hello, Uptown Swing Level 1.
I'm Stacia, that's Peter.
This was our last 6-count week. You guys rocked it. We didn't do a ton of new stuff. We just really worked on making a social dance happen. The new stuff we did do was this send out. And remember, the tempting thing is to be like, rock step, please. But you have to actually move this person. So it's not shoving, but I do actually move my arm that way. We go back, forward, and I catch that rock step and send my follower out there. And when you're going out there, you actually finish those things without me.
And I end up triple step, a little bit away, and we end up a little opened up.
It's okay if you get here. From there, we also worked on this. Rock, step, catch, and a 180 there. We did it a bunch from closed position. And then if we send out, we can try it again. It's the same idea. Just looking to catch each other with a little momentum there. I think that's all the new stuff we did today. Oh, we did a little side pass, sorry. Rock, step, triple step. We did this here. Hey, you come back here. If you do a tuck turn, you could go into Frankie Sixes, or you could just do this right here. Just change it by it. I want you to sort of make up your own stuff a little bit if you could. See if you could try something new. Then we just had social dancing. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. If you can keep the dance going, that's the main goal. Everyone did some great social dancing for like 3 songs. You're totally ready to go out. We will see you on field trip night. That's it.